Okay, welcome. You are going to be making the fruity Elda Hibis. Now, to start off with, you're going to infuse all of your ingredients in a kettle or a pot first. Now, to your glass or your mug of choice, you're going to add 1 ounce of Kakira rum. I use that, which is the 7-year-old. Very nice. Or your dark rum of choice. 1.5 tablespoons of honey, or 2, whatever it is that gets your sweetness. Add fresh lime, half a wedge. Squeeze that in there. Then you're going to pour all those lovely juicy ingredients into your cup. Oh, that wonderful sorrel just gives it a wonderful bright red colour, as well as the elderberry. Once you've added your tea, make sure you give all your ingredients a good stir so everything's infused and your honey or whatever it is of choice is nicely dissolved. Add in your orange wheel. This adds a nice bit of depth of flavour to that. Again, that is optional. Or you can use a cinnamon stick as well. That's obviously optional. These just add a nice little kick of flavour. Now sit back, enjoy and sip on this beautiful, delicious drink. Cheers.